even before these floods hit Pakistan, we were already facing humongous challenges because of serious tension in Eastern Europe, and as a result, food inflation, the prices of oil and gas were skyrocketing, and Pakistan was facing this imported inflation in a very, very difficult situation. And how could you expect that after the floods hit Pakistan and almost destroyed everything, that we would pass on this imported inflation on the common man and he or she will accept it without even a squeak? That is unnatural. And that is also not in line with the norms of justice and fair play, that the rich can enjoy both the worlds, whether the prices of oil touch $200 a barrel or $30 a barrel. And a poor man who is able to meet these two ends with great difficulty, you will expect that he will absorb this price hike without any protest and agitation. That is not human, strategy. That is not normal. It is absolutely abnormal. Yet, we had to again connect with IMF and resurrect that agreement which was violated by the previous government and accept even harsher conditionalities. So that is our challenge.